Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set fraud alerts and CIFAS Protective Registration in Experian UK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set a fraud alert and CIFAS Protective Registration in your Experian UK account, all you gotta do is simply place a free fraud alert or a paid CIFA protection registration. So for this, you need to simply contact Experian online by phone or by mail. So you can simply scroll down and go to your contact us section or help and assistance. So once you're here, you can tap on help and support. Now if you want a fraud alert or protective registration, you can simply mail them, call them, or simply get in chat with them to take the extra step to confirm your identity. So for a CIFAS protective registration, which is like 30 euros for 2 years, you can apply directly through the CIFA's website as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.